Photoshop has updated some of its features, and this is the most powerful feature so far. Also, you might be interested in the animation tutorials I am uploading here in the channel, so don't miss that. And without further ado, let's get started. To show this feature, we are going to demonstrate with this image, as one layer, as you can see. So, in the old days, if I wanted to select the apple in the image from the background here, I am usually going to select it manually with the polygonal lasso tool for example, which is extremely time-consuming and frustrating. So, in the new 2021 version of Photoshop, you get this little square here, where all the magic happens. Give it a couple of seconds. And voila! Now click on any object and you'll find it automatically selected. To select multiple objects, keep holding Ctrl while clicking on the objects. Despite how powerful it is, don't always trust it, as it may only be good some of the time. That's it guys, thanks for watching.